Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jake at Rim Revolution. Today we're going to be going over our full detail inside and out and what you can expect if you bring your car to us. We do a full spray down, get most of the hard dirt off. From there we do a microfiber hand towel wash, finish with a clay bar and a hand dry as well. From there we move to the wheel wells and the wheels, giving those the attention they need. And we also do the engine bays, fully clean them and redress them, have it looking like it just came out of the factory. From there we move to the interior. It can sound pretty basic, but it's all about in the little details is where we really separate ourselves. So vacuum through the carpets, extraction on anything that's needed, same for the seats. We have all the correct cleaners for leather, vinyls, all different types of plastics that you have in the car deserve their own type of attention. We also do all the panels, deep clean on all the panels, plus redress them to bring that hydration and everything back to life. Once again, this is a detail that we have already done. Just going over with you guys what you can expect when getting your car detailed at Rim Revolution.
You're not fooling me, not fooling anyone. Got your head in a cloud, you're delusional. In the notion of all this emotional. Best be sure, I'll be there when you're looking for something You're not fooling me, not fooling anyone. Got your head in a cloud, you're delusional. In the notion of all this emotional. Best be sure, I'll be there when you're looking for something
Alright, thanks for tuning in guys. Jake again at Rim Revolution. Like below, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.